How to use transitions in a TikTok video. In addition to the many effects and features that TikTok offers to customize your videos, they also offer unique transitions to use throughout your TikTok. To add a transition to your TikTok video, first select the Effects tab from the bottom of your screen. From here, you'll see their various effects divided by the types at the bottom of your screen. To see the transitions available, select the Transition tab. TikTok offers various transition styles such as slip, scroll, horizon, vertical, rotate, and circle. To apply any of these transitions, simply hold down the transition that you'd like to use and release your finger when you would like it to stop. If you'd like the transition to appear at a certain point in your video, you can slide the video marker to the spot you'd like to use it, and then apply the transition. If you ever need to undo a transition, you can just press the undo button below the slider. Once your transitions are applied and they're all to your liking, you can press the save button in the top right corner of your screen. And that's how to use transitions in a TikTok video. If this video helped you, let us know by liking it or commenting below, and don't forget to subscribe for more how-to instructional videos.